Hey guys, and welcome. So in this video I'm gonna focus on cleaning up this cedar. As you can see, it has two trunks, but you cannot see the trunk right now. There's a lot of dead growth underneath it. There are a lot of new offshoots here and there. It looks more like a bush than a tree. So my goal will be to identify few branches that I want to keep, clean up the rest, and leave it for the season. Next year I'm gonna try to work on shaping it in a form of a bonsai, but not now. For now, I just want to make sure that the trunks, both of those trunks, along with all the other offshoots that I want to leave, are visible, and all this excessive growth is eliminated. This will be a longer video. It will probably have a few parts, but this is just the beginning. And this is what it looks like now. You can clearly see the trunk. I cut quite a bit. This is all the branches I cut, and this is pretty much it. I would just leave it for definitely this year, and we'll see how it's gonna start shaping up next year, and continue removing the new growth basically. And I think it's gonna see, at least you can see the trunks right now, and I think it's gonna take a much nicer shape as it try to fill up the gaps. But already I'm pretty happy with this look. Now, when you start doing these projects, it's kind of hard to know right away what you really want to do. Once you start cutting into it, you kind of start getting ideas, and it's a process that constantly evolves, right? I have no idea, how it's gonna play out, but I knew that I have to expose this trunk. I have to remove the excessive growth, and that's what I did. Now, this looks more like a tree versus the bush that it was before, and it kind of blends in pretty nicely with the retaining wall, maple trees, and blue wonder spruce right on the right side. Thank you for watching.